All right, let's dive into something that might be quietly holding your business back from going global. We're talking about a hidden barrier and the key to smashing through it, something called an integration cloud. So let me ask you something, and I really want you to think about this. Is your team working for your software, or is your software actually working for your team? It sounds simple, right? But the answer to that question uncovers this huge, invisible problem that trips up so many businesses trying to grow. You know the drill, right? Especially if you're in e-commerce. It's that endless, soul-crushing cycle of copy, paste, getting orders from your website into your ERP, then getting shipping info back out. It's just this manual grind. And it's not just slow, it's a breeding ground for expensive mistakes. And look, this is way more than just a daily annoyance. We're talking about a major bottleneck that's literally capping your growth. So, to fix it, we got to get to the root cause of all this operational friction. Just think about all the amazing software a modern business uses. You've got your core ERP, right? Then you're selling everywhere. Amazon, Shopify, eBay. You're shipping with the big guys, FedEx, DHL. You're advertising on Google and Facebook. I mean, on their own, every single one of these tools is a powerhouse. But here's the catch. They don't talk to each other. And when that happens, you get what we call data silos. Think of them as these little isolated islands of information. And that disconnection, that's the real villain behind all that mind-numbing copy-pasting. And the cost of this, it's staggering. Seriously. You've got the inefficiency, sure, but also the constant threat of human error. One little typo, and poof, you've lost a customer. Then as you grow, you have to hire more people, not to innovate, but just to move data around. Your labor costs just explode. At the end of the day, these data silos literally put a hard cap on how much you can grow. So what's the way out? How do you break through this bottleneck? Well, the answer isn't to buy yet another piece of software. It's about finding a new way to connect the powerful tools you already have. The best way to think about it is like a universal plug for your whole business. And the magic behind this universal plug is a little piece of tech called an adapter. It's just like one of those travel adapters you use for your phone charger overseas, but for your software. It's a pre-built connector that just works. It links your Shopify store to your ERP, no fuss, no complex custom coding needed. It's built to just plug in and go. And getting this set up, it's ridiculously simple. Forget about those 6-month, super expensive IT projects. We're talking, you log in, you pick your e-commerce platform, you pick your ERP, and boom, you flip the switch on the automated flow. It's literally a few clicks. Clicks, not code. Okay, so once you have that connection, that's when things get really exciting. Because this isn't just about one link. It's about building a completely automated business flow. This is where you go from that grinding manual labor to a smooth, seamless operation. I mean, the difference is just night and day. On one side, without integration, the more you grow, the more people you have to hire just to keep up. Your best people become data movers. But on the other side, with automation, you completely break that chain. Your team is finally free to focus on what actually matters, coming up with new ideas, talking to customers, growing the business, while the software does all the boring, repetitive stuff in the background. And we're not just talking about connecting 2 or 3 things here. The real power is in the scale. We're talking about ready-to-go adapters for hundreds of the biggest systems on the planet. Your e-commerce platforms, Amazon, Shopify, big box retailers like Walmart, all the logistics companies, DHL, FedEx, payment systems like Stripe and PayPal, even the super complex enterprise stuff like SAP and Oracle. It's all there, ready to go. Global coverage right out of the box. And let's just talk about speed for a second. Building a custom integration the old way, that can take months, sometimes even years. No joke. With this adapter approach, you can have your most important systems talking to each other in a matter of weeks. The amount of time and money you save is just game-changing. Okay, so this brings us to the really big idea. Because all this, it's about more than just being efficient. It's about something bigger. It's about getting your business a global digital passport and unlocking the huge strategic power that comes with being truly connected. See, when you connect your software this way, you're not just moving data around faster. You are plugging your entire business into the global digital ecosystem. That's the massive, interconnected web of suppliers, partners, sales channels, and customers that runs the world now. You're not just sending a PDF and an email to your shipping company anymore. Your systems are talking to their systems, instantly, in the same language. There's a great way to put this. The real mission here is to seamlessly embed your business into this vast global digital ecosystem, making you an efficient and agile part of it. Think about that. You stop being an outsider, constantly trying to catch up, and you become a native player in the game. And the benefits of being inside that ecosystem, they're huge. You can react to changes in the market instantly. You can give your international customers an amazing, transparent experience. You can work with your supply chain partners like you're in the same room. All of this stacks up to create a real, lasting competitive advantage. And the best part? You get all of this through one single unified platform. It's the one key you need to unlock that digital passport and join the global ecosystem. So let's stop talking about copying and pasting. That's small thinking. The real question, the one that matters for your future, is this. Are you ready to claim your digital passport for global trade and start competing on a whole new level?